Alright, it's Alex back with another video, and this is on Tech with me. So it's Alex, and we're going to be talking about that Samsung event, that Unpacked event that just happened this week. So the most interesting thing from the event, so it's about time we talk about this. So the most interesting thing was the Z Fold 2. Now, obviously we're going to talk about most things in this video, because it's about time I actually talk about this event, because I'm actually like a little... it was a terrible live stream, let's just say. It was really scripted and bad, but everyone knows that if you watched. So, obviously it was really bad, and Google or Apple can probably top it, or OnePlus. So, we're going to talk about the Note 20 / Note 20 Ultra first. So, the Note 20 is like the 6.7-inch, 120Hz. Now, the regular Note 20, though, is a piece of junk. It's a plastic design. That's the phone to skip this year for $9.99. Why would you buy a phone that has a plastic back? Just does not seem worth it to me. But I mean, you never know. I mean, I personally would not pick that up. I picked up a Pixel 4a, so videos on that coming, because that interests me. This $999 plastic Galaxy Note 20 plastic, whatever design it's gonna be, I don't know. It's kind of bad. Now, the regular Note 20 Ultra, though, is actually decent to me. I think that bronze color looks great. I think the 120Hz display is great. And I think the camera's interesting. I think the cameras will be cool, and once we see some camera tests, it should be really interesting as to what we see. But that's honestly what I'm saying. And it only has a 60Hz display, Gorilla Glass Victus, which is apparently the best glass. It's got triple cameras, obviously 12 megapixel, 108 megapixel wide. So, and then the colors are like on the regular one are Mystic Gray, Mystic Green, and I believe Mystic Bronze, and then Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black on the regular. So there was also the Tab S7, which starts at, for the Tab S7, it's $649, which is an 11-inch and a 12.4-inch S7 Plus at $849.99. Not really that interesting to me. The Galaxy Buds Live, really interesting. Might pick those up too. Tell me if you want to see that. These are just a couple things that I'm naming off that are interesting to me from the event. Now, the most interesting thing to me overall is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, because this is like years, like 5 years ahead of everyone else. Of course, we've seen these people talking about these Pixel Folds or whatever Pixels Google's gonna do, Google Pixel Fold or something. Just stupid. I don't want that. Google, you don't need to do a fold. So Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. It's got a 6mm body, thinner body. So they actually made a smaller gap in between the screens on this, so dust won't get in, dust and debris won't get in. Like, they have like this sweeper like sort of system. As you can see, they have like the system on here, and apparently the system's supposed to like clean the screen when you close it, so like no dust or debris gets into the screen. 120Hz refresh rate, 7.6 inches when fully opened. They adapted the Infinity O display on the front screen, so that's really interesting. I think that's really cool. I think that'll be really good. So that's what I mean by like years ahead. It's 100% glass, which is really interesting, like some ultra thin glass. I gotta hear more about that. I don't understand that fully yet. And they said more details on September 1st, and that's when the pre-orders for it begin. So overall, that's like pretty much the event. And that's pretty much the most interesting thing from the event to me. But those are just my opinions. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. So that's been it for this one, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.